Hello everyone and welcome back to the day 8 of our Excel journey. Working with dates is a key skill for data analyst, or let's say anyone who's learning Excel or working with data.
Alright guys, first let's start by entering some dates. So in Excel we have some easy shortcuts to get the dates. For example, if I want to know what is the date of what is today's date, so I can simply just write 05 or 01 or then 2025 like that. Okay, it does take some time, but Excel has so many shortcuts. So what we do is we type equal to and then today and press enter. See, that's how we have got today's date here. Now if we want to get the time, right, so we have this here to get the time as well as date together. Excel saves dates as numbers. For example, if 1st of January is there, so Excel will save it as day 1. So you can perform simple math like addition or subtraction with these dates. We will learn how is it done. Guys, sometimes when you have a lot of data and when you want to group the data by day, month and year, so there are some particular functions that you can use in Excel which will ease your work. So from this particular date, let's just consider this one date here, and if I want to extract the date, the month and the year, we have some functions like equal to day, which we select this and then close the bracket and press enter. We have got the day here. The same way we go for month and again select this, press enter. We have got the month. Again let's go with year, selecting this, press enter. That was the these are the formulas which you can use to extract the day, month and year from any date, and it's useful when you want to group the data. You have some dates and you want to group it into days, into months and year. At that time you can use this function. If you want to know the exact day of the week, so what you do is you type equal to and then write text, write comma and then write 4 times D within double quotes. Okay, see this again, you have written you have selected the date cell and then you have written 4 times D. Let's see what it gives. 4 times enter. Let's see what it gives. Enter. So Sunday, it's Sunday today and we have got the day.
That's all for today folks. Dates and time are everywhere in data analysis, and now you know how to handle them like a pro. If you've learned something new, please give thumbs up to this video. See you on day 9. Thank you for watching.